Hello, Chef Pierre. So here we are again the next day. This chicken has been marinating for, well, overnight, quite a few hours. Full flavor now. That beer and them spices are really working the magic. So you can see what I got going on here. The color and the flavor has, all these wonderful things have penetrated the chicken now. It's going to be really, really good. I'm going to select a couple pieces and I'm going to do this chicken a few different ways for you. So follow along, watch the next video. Okay, I've got a very hot skillet here and I've got some of these marinated chicken pieces. And on this particular recipe I'm using a stone. This is a piece of quarry stone, just a heavy stone. That's going to get pushed down on the chicken. I'll show you what I'm talking about right here. First step, touch of olive oil. Always a good idea. Move that oil around a little bit. Make sure it coats the pan. Alright. Now, chicken goes in. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I've got this heavy stone I'll put right on the chicken. Let it cook. Okay, I think we're ready. If you're not sure if the chicken is done, well, you know what to do. Use the thermometer. Small little instant read thermometer. Check the largest piece and just see how hot it is in the center of it there. Looking for at least 140, 150 right there, okay? It's not quite ready. So the secret, move it along real quick, put a touch of water. Okay then, let's check it one more time. Yeah. That chicken's looking good. Since I cooked it under stone, I'm going to serve it on stone. Okay, very simple presentation here. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I got my chicken under stone right here. I'm going to serve it to my customer like this. Okay, this nice wooden butcher block and the stone. Got a little bit of sweet and sour sauce on the side right here. It's going to go there. And I'm going to garnish with just a touch more rosemary. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Wow. As nice as I can. And I'm going to show you the next step is going to be a quick marinade. Okay, moving along here now. All the chicken's been cleaned. I got this plastic bag. I believe in recycling. This bag has been recycled. Here we go. We're going to put 2 pieces of chicken in the bag. And get a butcher block. You gotta have the butcher block. I'll be back. Yeah, there we go. So now, all that chicken is ready to go. You know the next step, right? Of course, the next step's to season this chicken. First thing, sea salt. You gotta have sea salt. Okay. Next thing, pepper. You gotta have some pepper. Smoked paprika. Oh, yeah. That's gonna be good. Okay, so if you watched the other videos and you already know that this rock maple butcher block here kills germs. Awesome. A quick soapy water wipe here, dry towel, good to go to the next step. Balsamic vinegar reduction. Oh, yeah, not too much. This stuff's really good and really, really expensive. Okay, next thing I got here, roasted red pepper puree. A little bit of basil, garlic, smoked fine sea salt. Oh, smells so good. About a teaspoon of that. Ah, rosemary, cut rosemary, more flavors released. I like it. If you need any of these spices, hit the sponsor. All right, I'm going to take and give this a quick mix. Just like this. Oh yeah. Next step. Marinade goes over the chicken breasts. Yeah. Now what you want to do, you want to massage it in there. Next step, cover this marinade, watch the next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Weighs about 2 pounds. Solid stainless steel disc. Really cool. I like it. Perfect for beating your meat. Watch the next video. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day.